How do we find the x and y intercepts of a quadratic equation given in factored form? Well, it turns out factored form is basically built to make it easy to find the x-intercepts. That's why we like it. So let's start with the x-intercepts here. All right, and the way we find these from our factored form is we use the zero product property. So the x-intercepts, that's where the y-coordinate is 0. So we replace this y by 0 and solve for x. X minus 4 times x plus 12, we set that equal to 0 and solve. The zero product property says if the product is 0, then one of the factors is 0. So we set both of these equal to 0. 0 equals x minus 4, or 0 equals x plus 12. And then you solve these, you're going to get x equals 4, or x equals negative 12. So you just flip the signs on those constant terms there. So those are our two x-intercepts. That was easy. And after you've practiced that a few times, you can actually just jump straight there. You don't need to write this all out. If you can see it in the factored form and you understand what's going on, you can just jump straight from the negative 4 to positive 4, the plus 12 to negative 12. What about the y-intercepts? Or actually, y-intercept, I should say. There's only one because it's a function. So for the y-intercept, this is where x equals 0. X-intercept is where y equals 0. Y-intercept is where x equals 0. So we're solving for y now. We're going to replace x by 0. So let me color code this. X equals 0. That's where the y-axis is. And then we got x minus 4, x plus 12. Our x is there. All right. So we're substituting in x equals 0. So this becomes y equals 0 minus 4 times 0 plus 12. And solving for y, not much solving to do. We just use order of operations. Simplify this. This is negative 4. 0 minus 4 is negative 4 times 12. So y equals negative 48 if you multiply that out. So the y-intercept is negative 48. The x-intercepts are at 4 and negative 12.